Hi everyone, I am Sirisha. I am from Bangalore. I had a 1 year of experience in automation, but later I had a 9 months of career gap. Then I joined Crio in the Crio Automation Fellowship. So there I have received. I took my training for 9 months so far, and it is continuing still. I was into software engineer, so where my role was a .NET developer. I worked as a I started my career as a .NET developer. For continuous 3 years, I worked on desktop applications. The cryo, actually, I got it from Instagram, I think. Yeah. The program it's a predefined one, and it has a very structured way, pretty good for my, even not for me, even for anybody. Yeah. Those who are pretty much experienced persons, they will feel, yeah, why I am learning this. But for me, it helped, and for the freshers, it will definitely help. So far, I was continuing, and I felt it was very good. Yeah, I felt the tasks which are given, the milestones I have to complete. There are some deadlines. This dedication we have to show in our every sprint, and I showed that. DSA was very tough for most of the normal people, like who don't have big brains. So I felt that DSA helped me with a great mentor for the sprints, and even for the Java. Yeah, starting I felt Java. Yeah, it's a heavy. Yeah, because of the mentor, the structured curriculum, it actually helped me in achieving my key things in the sprints. Yeah, most of my mentors which I received in the all of my sprints for the automation, DSA part, Java testing, I learned most of the things from very experienced communicable mentors in the sprint. So mentors are the backbones of our learning here. The challenges part is something when it comes to, see, once we learn the program, at the end of in the continuous sprints we will get some build outs. So in the build outs, if we want to achieve 100% of that, we have to stick to that. We have to write a proper coding, and based on the structured way that is taught in the in sprints. So the main challenges was the debugging, and yeah, mostly the debugging part I faced the challenge, because I'm not I finish my build outs pretty fast when compared to others, I think, because even I helped my co persons in co students in the sprint.